How to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like I have done here. You will land on the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile area of your account as you can see here. Next, scroll down, continue scrolling to the bottom of the page where you will see all these different options. From the options that are here, tap on this option here named Support. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. After that, you will land on this page where you will see all these different sections where you can get assistance on. Scroll through them. Continue scrolling until you land here where there is this option named Cash App Card. Tap on it. On this page, you will see all these different options that you can use to find solutions to issues with your card. Scroll through the options and tap on this one here named Issues with Card. Finally, you will land on this other page where there are all these different options such as trouble signing up, card declined, and the rest. From the options that are here, make sure you tap this one here named Card Declined. As you can see on this page, Cash App is trying to give you possible solutions to the issue you are facing. You can read through all these steps and understand them. Next, the option we need today is at the bottom of the page. It is under the Contact Us section. It is named Chat. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on this page where you can see all this box. What you have to do now is to type a short message here explaining to Cash App the issue you are facing and ask them to help you solve the issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also copy what I have typed here. After making sure everything is correct, go ahead and send the message and the Cash App support team will receive your message. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card.